you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today we have the Tribe Beauty Box for October, November. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so the Tribe Beauty Box, I believe this one is October/November, just arrived. Tribe Beauty does send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your beauty box to review. Let's see what this box brings. All right, you guys, so we have the box. When you open it up, that's what it looks like inside. There's the card, and it says October 2020, dusk till dawn, or dusk to dawn. And then there are the products in there inside of this bubble wrap. So let's go ahead and see what's all in here. On this card, it does go over each individual item with the pricing. So I will be able to add up the total value at the end. There's a little sneak peek of inside. The first thing that I'm seeing is this guy right here. It says Earth Harbor Anti-Pollution Youth Ampule Red Algae Plus Plant Stem Cells. So there's this package. So this right here is valued at $48. Wow. So there is the inside, and it is a red. Why is my little thing going brown? So it's not sitting in there right. I'm like, what in the world? Why is it all cockeyed? It's just not sitting in there correctly. Okay, so now I fixed it and now it's straight. It was a little wonky, but I fixed it. So yes, this is $48. So it says this worships your face by renewing skin through stem cell technology while restoring depleted antioxidants, normalizing skin's pH, soothing fine lines and wrinkles, and enveloping you in a sensual ritual with her velvety consistency and citrus blossom aroma, targeting concerns, pollution control, fine lines and wrinkles, after sun, and stressed skin. So that's really cool. And this is again valued at $48 for this bottle right here. All right, so next we have is this product by LA Splash. This says that it's a Luminous Liquid Metals Duo Jumbo Felt Tip Liner and Cut Crease Definer, valued at $18. It looks like, I don't know, it looks like there's pink down here. Okay, so the top is a fine tip for like a black eyeliner. And then, what does the other side do? It twists. Okay, so then now you have like a metallic pinkish color down here to do, so it's a double duty. You got a twofer. So whichever end will do you can, or both, you got it. That's really neat that it has two different products in one. And this guy here is valued at $18, an all-in-one duo eyeliner that can be used to create an array of looks. A buildable water-based liner that contains superfine glitters in a crease base that dries down quickly and stays put with zero fallout. So that's neat. I like that it's two different things in there, and the packaging is really cute. So there is that. And then next we have is a glossy lamination liquid lipstick by Suva. And if it's that color, that looks like that would be really pretty. This is valued at $18. And it says the liquid lipstick is formulated to deliver a punch of opaque color and comfortable flexibility. And it looks like the color is Illusionist is the name of it. And okay, so it's not exactly the same color. This is more of like a pink, where this looks more of a purple, but this looks like more of like a pinky purple. So you have that guy. That is a really pretty color. So you have a liquid lip, and again, that's $18. So the next we have is a product by Gerard Cosmetics. And oh, sorry, the LA Splash, this guy here would have been this or a Patchology Rejuvenating Eye Gels single patch valued at $15. So there is a different variation between those two items. So you could have received this or the eye gel patches valued at $15. So this right here is Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Concealer and Base, valued at $22. This base makes the perfect canvas for your eyeshadow art while minimizing the appearance of eyelid lines and increasing the wear time of your eyeshadow. Can also be used to cover blemishes as a concealer. So here's the packaging. And it just says Clean Canvas Eye Base in Fair for the color. And that's what it looks like on the inside. And again, this is valued at $22. And then the last item looks like it would have been a variation as well between two different palettes. It would have been the LA Splash Classic Horror Eyeshadow Palette, valued for $27. It says, inspired by the golden age of horror, this palette features 10 unique colors, creamy pigment shadows that blend so effortlessly, you are sure to scream of delight. So you would have received that one valued at $27, or the Pure Cosmetics Defense Anti-Pollution Palette valued at $34. That's the one that I received. It says, showcase your inner artist with Defense, a highly pigmented, smoky palette featuring 12 bold shades that instantly bring attention to any makeup look. So here is the outside packaging. It's very neat. I don't have this Pure palette, that's for sure. I have never even seen this one. So let's open it up and see what the shades look like. So there's the outside, and it does, I like the smoke, how it goes in and out. I like the packaging, really cute. And then when you open it up, there is a large mirror right on the top. Let's remove this. And here are the shades, you guys. Very pretty, different colors in there. So there's that. I like that there's a difference between the mattes and the shimmers. So I think it's a pretty palette. And again, it would have been either palette that you would have received between the Pure Cosmetics or the LA Splash. So everything for my variation added up, my grand total for my retail value will be right here. That's everything that I received in this beauty box. So again, going over it, we do have the palette, which you would have received one of two different palettes. You have the serum, you have the eye concealer, you have a liquid lipstick, and then you have a 2-in-1 eyeliner. So that is really neat. What did you guys think of this box? I think it was a really neat box. It has a good variation between the products, and there's a skincare item in there as well. If you want to know a little bit more about Tribe Beauty, you receive a box of trendy to indie brands every 2 months. So it's bi-monthly. So there's only 6 boxes out of the year, and you get 5 full-size beauty products worth over $100, and the box is $34.99 plus shipping. Tribe Beauty is 100% female-owned company. So with Tribe Beauty, you will receive products from trendy to independent and upcoming brands. The beauty experts carefully select each item based on a staple product needed in each beauty kit, as along with current trends. And with this, I kind of noticed you kind of normally get like a full face or almost a full face, other than like foundation, because everyone's skin tones are different. But you normally get like a lip, an eyeshadow palette, you'll get like a mascara or an eyeliner. It just seems like you normally get a full face to do something, which is really neat as well, how they curate their boxes every other month. So comment down below, let me know, what did you think of the month for October, November? What do you think of the items that were inside? Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.